The rumors are true. You can make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. Hello, my close personal friend. I am Micah Money. This is Micah Money on YouTube, and I am going to help you make money on YouTube too. I am part of a tight-knit group of people who help each other make money on YouTube without ever having to show their face. This is what we do, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 exact video ideas that you can use today to start making money on YouTube without ever showing your face. People are always asking for more example channels and examples of exact videos that they can use. So not only am I going to give you 5 exact videos that you can use to make money on YouTube without showing your face, I'm also going to show you example channels that are making these same types of videos and making money without showing their face, so you can get a better idea of how this all works and how you can do the exact same thing. Now, I am super jacked up about today's video and I want to give you the most value that I can, so I'm going to give you a special bonus at the end and show you how you can actually start making these videos and how you can get other people to make the videos for you too. YouTube can completely transform your life if you do it the right way, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. Let's jump right in. Video idea number 5 is statistics videos. Now, you've probably seen videos like this on YouTube. Check out this example channel called Data is Beautiful. You can see they've got over 1 million subscribers, their videos get tons of views, and all they upload is statistic videos. Now, statistics videos are very simple to make. You can actually make videos just like this for free using something called Flourish. Let me know if you'd like me to do a whole video on how to make statistics videos just using Flourish, because I would love to do that. These videos are simple, fast, and easy to make. All you have to do is plug in the data and it will make the video for you. How much money do these videos make? They could be making up to $142,000 per year just making these simple statistic videos. The real number that they're making is usually about half of the maximum, so let's say that they're making at least $70,000 a year if they've got ads running. And they aren't the only ones making lots of money making statistics videos. Check out Wawamoo's stats. Up to $53,000 per year, so probably $25,000 a year at least. Here's another channel, Animated Stats, pulling in up to $87,000 a year, so they're at least making 40 grand a year. And all they are doing is making these simple stats videos that take about an hour to make each, and they never even have to show their face. Now, I have heard of some people having trouble getting monetized with basic stats videos like this, so just a fair warning, if you want to do stats videos, I recommend putting at least a unique voiceover in your stats videos. Anything that you can do to add value and original content on top of the Flourish stats video will help you get monetized. YouTube has a policy against monetizing reused and automated content without transforming it by adding your own unique elements. So if you're going to start a brand new statistics channel, you should aim to include more than just the basic bar chart race video. Check out this channel Abacaba for a good example of how I would start a stats channel today. But plenty of stats channels have been monetized, and Data is Beautiful is earning at least $70,000 a year if they've got ads running. And check this out, even if they didn't have ads running, they could still make plenty of money. Keep watching because I'm going to show you how you could do that later in this video. $70,000 a year, you say that's not enough for you? Well, hey, keep watching because we have not even gotten started on this thing yet. I'm going to show you some channels that bring in absurd amounts of money, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing. Alright, video idea number 4 is luxury. 9-Figure Life, Top Luxury, and A-Lux are 3 great example channels in the luxury niche. Now, they only make videos about things like rich people, wealth, luxurious lifestyles, things like that. Here's some exact video ideas. Top videos: Crown Prince of Dubai Billionaire Lifestyle, 1.3 million views. Jeff Bezos Billionaire Lifestyle, 1.2 million views. Let's look at Top Luxury. Their most popular video is Most Useless Mega Projects in the World, 38 million views. Let's see what else they're doing. Most Expensive Construction Mistakes in the World, 8.8 million views. And this right here is brilliant. They saw that their most expensive construction mistakes to avoid video was getting tons of views, so they made it into a series. Most Expensive Construction Mistakes Part 2 and Part 3. 5.3 million and 5.2 million views each. Let's look at A-Lux for some video ideas. 15 things poor people do that the rich don't. 8.3 million views. 15 insane things you did not know about Pablo Escobar. 4.9 million views. Top 10 most powerful religions in the world, 4.7 million views. And how much money are they making? 9-figure life, between $500 and $8,000, so I'd estimate about $4,000 or more per month easy. A-Lux, between $1,500 and $24,000 a month, so I'd estimate at least $12,000 a month. And Top Luxury, check this out. Let's look at their yearly income. It says they're bringing in up to $316,000 per year, so I would estimate this channel brings in at least 150 grand a year. $150,000 a year just with this channel, one channel, making simple videos about luxury. Okay, so check this out. How do these people make these videos, right? It's super easy. Going back to A-Lux, let's take their most successful video, 15 things poor people do that the rich don't. Now look, if you watch this video, most of the video is actually just free stock footage that you can get for free from places like Pixabay and Pexels. Then they put a unique voiceover on top of it. Now there's also clips from movies and television shows in this video, but you can legally use copyrighted material like that under fair use if you do it the right way. So let's say you literally want to remake this video, but put your own spin on it. Here's what you do. You write your own list of things that poor people do that rich people do not do. Now don't make it exactly like this video. You cannot just copy their script word for word. That would be bad. But what you should do is put your own spin on it. So instead of 15 things, make your video be 7 things or 10 things that poor people do that rich people don't do. You could even use some of the exact same talking points that this video does, but just write about it in your own words. Let's see what one of their talking points is. Poor people eat fast food. Okay, so just go over to Pixabay or Pexels and type in fast food. Here is almost 2,000 different pictures of fast food that you can use in your video. And almost 300 videos that you can use in your video for free. So what you do is gather footage like that for every talking point, put it together, put your own unique voiceover on top, and you've got yourself a video that could potentially get millions of views just like A-Lux did. Video idea number 3 is psychology. Psychology really is blowing up on YouTube. Check out this channel, Brainy Dose. Now we know the real earnings is usually somewhere between these numbers, so I would estimate that this channel is pulling in $8,000 a month or more, and realistically probably more like $100,000 a year. So what video ideas can you use for a psychology channel? Well, let's see what worked for them. 15 signs you are an INFJ, the world's rarest personality type. People who like to be alone have these 12 special personality traits. How to read anyone instantly, 18 psychological tips. And here is the best part. Check out what they're doing in these videos. They are literally just using free stock photos with a voiceover on top. That's it. But you might say, wait a minute, they have cool looking graphics in their video. There is no way I can do that. But hey, check this out, you can do that. Going back to Pixabay, we can click on illustrations at the top and search for something like a check mark. There is tons of free, cool looking graphics that you can use in your video. So, if you want to remake this video, 15 signs you are an INFJ, first you need to rewrite the title to make it your own. So, let's title our video, Are You an INFJ? 7 things to look for. Then we would do some research about INFJ and common traits that they have. We could take some of the bullet points from this video and rework them in our own style, but you don't only want to use one source. You want to use at least a few different sources, be it articles, YouTube videos, blog posts, etc. So come up with 7 of your own traits on INFJs and write a script. But how exactly do we get the right stock footage? Let's say we want to use this bullet point as one of our 7 traits. Gifted in language. Go to Pixabay and type in something like conversation. Scroll down and see all these? Any one of these would be perfect. Get a few different images like this, put them together, put a voiceover on top, and you have got yourself everything you need to make a successful video. Then repeat that with different words and topics from the other 6 traits you came up with, and that is literally all you would need to do to recreate the success of this channel. Video idea number 2 is whiteboard animation videos. Now this could technically be done with any niche, but it works especially well with things like philosophy. Check out this channel, Philosophies for Life. Over 850,000 subscribers, over 1 million views in the last 30 days, and pulling in around 40 grand a year. And all they make are simple whiteboard videos about things like how to build self-discipline, how to ignore people, how to manage your time. Now you could make videos about these exact topics. Just do some research and come up with your own list of ways to build self-discipline, or ways to ignore people, or ways to manage your time. Then use a program to put together a whiteboard animation. Then put a unique voiceover on top of that animation, and you've got yourself a video that could get millions of views. Now what's great about whiteboard videos is you do not need any stock videos or images at all. You just use a program called Videoscribe to make the whole video. Now actually, I use Videoscribe for parts of my videos too. It's super easy to use, and it makes for a really cool video when you do it the right way. Whiteboard videos are really one of the cheapest, fastest, and easiest ways that you can make YouTube videos that will get lots of views and make lots of money. If you want to check out Videoscribe, I've put a link down below in the description. Check it out. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying, "I subscribed." Because in my future videos, I'm going to start doing a shout out in all my videos to a random subscriber. So hit that subscribe button and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed." And maybe I'll give you a shout out in the next video. Video idea number 1 is animal videos. Check out this channel, Forever Green. Almost 3 million subscribers, pulling in between $4,000 and $68,000 a month. Now, I would estimate this channel is making at least $30,000 a month, probably more. I would not be surprised if this channel makes $500,000 a year or more. What kind of animal video ideas can you use to make money on YouTube without showing your face? Let's see what some of Forever Green's most popular videos are. Bruh. 10 most powerful dogs in the world, 24 million views. 25 most beautiful horses on planet Earth, 20 million views. Top 10 smallest dog breeds in the world, 15 million views. So you could do a video like this one, 10 most powerful dogs, but make it 7 most powerful dogs. And let's say you wanted to include this dog breed, the Dogo Argentino, in your video. But you go over to Pexels and type in Dogo Argentino and only find a handful of images and no video footage. Wah, wah, wah. What do you do then? Well, let's go back to Forever Green's original video. If you look down in the bottom left, it says YouTube Documentary TV. Now this means that they took this video from another YouTube channel called Documentary TV. Is that legal? Yes, it is. Since they did it the right way, this falls under what is called fair use. Now, how do you get away with using someone else's video and calling it fair use? Now, I want to be clear, I am not giving you legal advice here in this video, but generally, as long as you only use short clips from the other person's video, as long as you put an original voiceover on top of it, and as long as you give them credit and put a link back to their original video in your description, it should be considered fair use. So, going back to our example, if you need some footage of Dogo Argentino dogs and you cannot find what you're looking for on stock footage sites, you can just search for Dogo Argentino on YouTube, find some videos that you would like to use, and just use small clips from these videos. And the animal niche is a great niche to monetize with affiliate products. Let's say you're doing a video about dogs. You can also make even more money by going to somewhere like ClickBank and finding a dog training course to promote. Sign up to be an affiliate and put the affiliate link in your video description. Then, whenever someone clicks that link and buys that dog training course, you make some money. And eventually, you can start doing what all of us in the group do, which is set up a video creation assembly line where you get someone else to write the scripts for you, someone else to do the voiceovers for you, someone else to edit the videos for you, and someone else to make really great thumbnails for you. And then all you have to do is come up with great video ideas and then upload the finished videos to your channel. Like I said, that's what all of us are doing on our other niche channels that are bringing in money, and you can do the exact same thing. We can teach you how to start out making the videos yourself for free, and then later on, when you're making some money, we can teach you how to invest some of that money back into your YouTube business and pay other people to work for you. Now you might be saying, Micah, that is great, and I really want to get started making some videos like this, but I have no idea how to put a video together, and I really don't want to spend tons of money on editing software. Now don't worry. There is a completely free video editor that you can use to get started called OpenShot. It's totally free and it is available for both PC and Mac. Just go to openshot.org to download it. And then you can search on YouTube for some OpenShot tutorials, watch a couple videos, and you will be up and running in no time. So I have shown you a ton of great video ideas and free ways you can go about making these videos. Now let me ask you a question. If you could choose between having to do all of this yourself, come up with video ideas, try to figure out what works and what doesn't work, and learn everything on your own through trial and error, or if you could choose to work with people who have already done this numerous times and have one-on-one access to a complete YouTube genius who will help mentor you directly, who will answer any question you have along the way, and who will hand you a literal blueprint to follow to make sure you are successful on YouTube. Which one of those would you choose? Now, if you'd rather work with someone who has done this time and time again to help you reach success, then I would love to introduce you to the course and the community called Tube Mastery and Monetization. Tube Mastery and Monetization is a complete step-by-step course and community of successful YouTubers that shows you exactly how you can start, grow, and monetize a profitable YouTube channel from complete scratch. Now, if you're interested in that, just click the first link below and check it out. Tube Mastery and Monetization was designed by a ridiculously successful YouTube mastermind named Matt Parr. And the course walks you through step by step how he has personally built tons of different channels, gotten millions of views, and earns over $1 million a year just from his niche YouTube channels alone. It'll tell you things like how to choose a profitable niche, how to set up your channel for success, how to create viral videos. You'll get a list of over 100 profitable niches that you can use, and how to avoid picking a bad niche so you don't waste your time. You also get script templates for hiring people. Matt shows you how to build a team, all the tools you should use to manage your team so you don't even have to make videos. Click the first link below to check that out. And you also get lifetime access to the Tube Mastery Mastermind group, where we all help each other, and Matt is there every day to answer any questions you have directly. He's literally in there every day. Now, we would love to work with you if you want to work with us. Just click the first link below to get started. And click here to watch this next video about how you can make $80,000 per month on YouTube in 6 easy steps without ever showing your face. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.